everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have what's for dinner number 26, and I'm here to make you hungry again. A lot of these recipes can be found in the kitchen playlist linked below or in the cards, and some are coming soon. So let's jump right in. On this night we had scalloped potatoes, mixed veggies, Salisbury steak, which is a banquet dinner, and crescent rolls. And that is a dinner that I'll make if, you know, we have a lot going on that day, we were busy. On this night, I made a homemade pizza. It was really yummy. This one was made with pre-packaged dough, but later I learned to make my own dough. So I'm excited to share that. This is Buffalo Ranch chicken, which is absolutely delicious. And these are like a Taco Bell copycat fiesta potato with nacho cheese and sour cream on top. We just wanted those that night, so I paired them with a chicken. And I still need to film a recipe for that. Just a seasoned pork cutlet, quick and easy in the oven, instant potatoes, and the mac and cheese. You just can't go wrong. Next up, we have taco salad. This is so yummy. You can never go wrong also with taco salad. So I have like Doritos, the taco meat, cheese, sour cream, lettuce, and tomato in my bowl with Taco Bell's mild sauce. And this is absolutely delicious. One of our favorites in the house. On this night, we had a Mississippi roast, which is always delicious, a roll, peas, and homemade mashed potatoes. The Mississippi recipes with the roast and the chicken, top notch, highly recommend trying. This night we had chicken quesadillas with, of course, the fiesta potatoes that I need to film, but absolutely tasty. And this is a meal I would typically make when it's in the cooler months, but we wanted vegetable soup, so I made homemade vegetable soup and a grilled cheese. Absolutely delicious. We had a pork loin this night, green beans, a roll, and that is actually a baked potato without the skin, and butter and cheese and salt. So yummy. The pork loin was just falling apart. I cooked these in the crock pot. It was absolutely delicious. Hadn't had one of these in so long, and it was so good. Pizza casserole and cheesy garlic bread. I feel like pizza casserole is like a staple in our house. Love it. Mississippi chicken, which once again, top-notch recipe. Absolutely love it. Staple in the house. Homemade mashed potatoes, peas, and a roll. Absolutely delicious. This is making me hungry looking at it right now. Next up, a quick and easy night. I have scalloped potatoes, green beans, and double cheeseburger macaroni from Hamburger Helper, and I made homemade garlic bread to go with it. Fast, easy, simple. This is one of my most favorite comfort meals. I love soup beans. This is one dish that I miss from my nanny so very much. She made the absolute best soup beans that you would have ever eaten in your life. I guarantee it. I always have a hankering for soup beans. So soup beans, fried cabbage, cornbread, and fried potatoes. Yes, all in the same bowl because I like to eat them all together. This is so yummy. Super country meal right here. And next up is I learned a pizza dough recipe, and I made us mini pizzas. And this recipe, I don't want to spill the ingredients, but it's only 2 ingredients, and I will be doing an in the kitchen video, a recipe on this pizza crust, because you can do other things with it. I cannot wait to share that recipe with you guys. It was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. This night, this is just a chicken breast that I sliced, and I seasoned it up. I baked it in the oven. Shells and cheese and steamed broccoli. Yeah, I mean, it was basic, but it was delicious. And last and final item I have to share with you. This was more of like a lunchy kind of item. This is basically pigs in a blanket. I used crescent rolls, sliced cheese, and a hot dog. Basically, just rolled the cheese and the hot dog in to the crescent rolls, and I baked them, and this is so delicious and easy to do. So that is the last meal I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it made you hungry. Hopefully you also want to try out some of these recipes that you saw in the video today. So don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for those in the kitchen links. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.